Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the PocMon token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase BNB on Binance, transfer that over to your Trust Wallet on the Smart Chain network, and then transferring that into the PocMon token. I'd just like to let you guys know as well that I will have lots of cryptocurrency tutorials coming out in the future. Things like how to buy, how to sell, how to create NFTs, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, I really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content helping you guys out in the future. Anyhow, to get the PocMon token, just follow along step by step as I show you guys exactly what to do. The first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB, or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now, I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now, what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network, and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once you guys have your BNB in your Smart Chain wallet, you guys can go ahead and add the PocMon token to Trust Wallet. And to do that, you just want to get the contract address. You're going to have to copy and paste it. And I have the first link in the description over to BSC Scan. It's where you're guys going to copy the contract address. And basically all I have to do when you come onto this website is just scroll down and click on the copy button right beside contract. Once you guys click on that copy button, you guys can go back over to Trust Wallet. Once you're back in Trust Wallet, you just want to go to the top right corner of your screen where you see the 2 lines and the 2 circles. Click on that, and then just go to the top search bar and paste that contract address in. Once you guys have that contract address in, you will then see the PocMon token pop up here. You just want to enable it and click on Done. Now what you have to do is you have to go over to the browser icon on the bottom of your screen. If you guys don't see the browser icon there, you guys are going to have to go to the next link I have in the description. It'll be over to the Trust Wallet support website, and basically all you guys have to do is just scroll down here, click on step 1 here where it says the Trust Browser Enable. That's going to create a pop-up where you're going to have to click on Open, and then it's going to add the browser icon into the bottom of your Trust Wallet. Once you guys have that done, you can then go back over to your Trust Wallet. And once the Trust Wallet is back open on your screens, you just want to go over to the browser and you want to head over to Pancakeswap. Now, if this is your first time using Pancakeswap, you will have to connect your wallet, and you can do that by clicking the button on the top of the screen where it says Connect, clicking on Trust Wallet, and then you will see your wallet ID up in the top corner. Once you guys have that there, you should just look over to where your balance is. For whatever reason, if you don't see your balance here, just make sure that you guys have your BNB in your smart chain. Rather than just in the BNB wallet. Even if you did buy it on Trust Wallet, just go over to the wallet, click on it, click on the dots, and then just swap it over to Smart Chain, and then you will see the balance in your exchange here. Now, to add the PocMon token to this exchange screen, you just have to click on Select a Currency, and you want to paste that same address that we got from BSC Scan into here. You will then see the PMon token, so you want to click on Add, and then click on the token. Now, all we have to do is set our slippage tolerance. So this coin does require 12% slippage tolerance, according to the people on Telegram. Now, for the slippage tolerance, you guys have to put it to 12. You could do that by going up to the top of the exchange, clicking on it, and just changing that to 12 right there. If this doesn't work for you for whatever reason, you can play around with it. This is just the most widely used slippage tolerance for this token. But once you guys have that done there, you just have to decide how much BNB that you want to transfer over into the PMon token. So we can just go over here and decide how much we want to do. So let's just say if I was going to do 0.2, it would then show me how much of the PMon token I'll get in exchange for the 0.2 BNB. Now, if you guys are okay with the transaction here, you can click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Just tell you here to swap. It's then going to bring you to another page where you guys will see your withdrawal rates and your fees and things like that. So make sure you guys understand that first. But once you guys have that done, you could then click on confirm for swap, exit out of here, and go back over to your wallet, where you will then see your tokens appear in your wallet, usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the PocMon token. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.